That's Screaming Meanie off Amazon. And I had one before I broke it, so I had to order another one. But I tell you, this is the loudest alarm clock. All right, so this is the key to set the alarms. The beacon. This is to switch back from the timer to the alarm. This is just a light. And then you have the low, medium, high alarm, the timer, the clock, the minute, and the hour. So you need a 9-volt battery. It comes on saying 12, and you want to change that. So right now it's 6:30 p.m. where I'm at. So I'll just go press the key down, press the hours till I get to so now the time is set. Now to set the alarm, oh, that was set. All right. So this is the key to set the alarms. The beacon. This is the switch from timer to clock. This is the light. And you have the low, medium, and high for the alarm. The timer and the clock, the minute and the hour. So you need a 9-volt battery. And right now it is 6:30 p.m. where I'm at. So you want to make sure when you set it that you're on the clock. And then press the key down and just press the hour until it gets to p.m. and you got 6. So now it's 6:30 p.m. Now to set the alarm, I moved it to the timer. And alarm, let's do 6:31. And you press the key and the arrow together. And you can go back to the clock and wait. And I have it on low right now. So I'll let y'all hear how low sound. And I'm a very heavy sleeper. This is by far the best I saw. The other alarm clock is the one with the 2 bells. That's the only one that gets me up. So this is low. Let me see if it'll do high. That's high. That's medium. And this is high. And to stop it, you just press the hours and the key. So you press the 2 buttons on the side, and then you press the key to stop it. The 2 buttons on the side and the key. And I have to have my alarm on high, and you hear how loud that is. The high wakes me up, and when it's on low, it would never wake me up. Medium, on some days, but high will always wake me up. And I usually set it on the other side of the room, so I have to get up.